Welcome to TechLeaper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to take scrolling screenshot in your Windows 10 laptop or PC. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your Chrome browser and then search for Chrome Web Store. Then just click on first link. Now from here search for Go Full Page. Then just go to first link. Then click on Add to Chrome. Then click on Add Extension, and the download is complete. Then just click here and then pin this option. And that's it. Now if I open any full page, if you want to take this full page screenshot, you have to just click on this icon and you can see that will start taking full page or scrolling screenshot, and it's done. You can see the screenshot has been captured successfully. You can save this screenshot as PDF, or also you can save this screenshot as PNG file. Now I just download the PNG file, then click on allow, and the download is complete. Now just open your download folder, and here it is. And that is how you can take scrolling screenshot in your Windows 10 laptop or PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.